Hi friends, welcome to Right Gyan. This is my video on the investment option, like which is better, ETFs or mutual fund. So to clear that, I am going to explain you what is the better option when you have a clear view on the any particular segment. So to explain that, I will just go on the this is the website. So first I will explain what is the mutual fund. See, when you invest in a mutual fund now, what happens? Your mutual fund manager invest your capital into multiple segments. Like here, if you see here, this is the Invesco India Contra Fund. So what happens when you invest money? When you want to invest in particular segment or mutual fund, your fund manager you diversify your money into various stocks. Like they invest in banks, software, then bank, cement sector, engineering, pharmaceutical, computer softwares. So what happened? Net your money has is get average effect on all these performance. Let's say sometime software companies perform, sometime banking sector perform, sometime pharmaceutical company performs. So you will get net average return over your investment. So generally it happens when market moves in a very fast move, all the mutual funds reflect the positive returns and not decent, but yeah, 20-30% return on an average if market is trending and performing. But when you have a clear view on any particular segments or stock, so you have an option, you can directly invest in a in that sector also. Like I am expecting a huge growth in let me show you. See, PSU Bank B's. So yeah, so this is the chart of PSU Bank. So what happened? As you can see, the PSU banks has been let me convert into a see, yeah, here PSU banks was in a downtrend from last so many years, from 2010, then there was a fall from 2015 and 2017. Now if you see here, the PSU banks is now coming out from the bottom. This is the last base from where it has been rejected, and we can expect that it can go up to, let's say, 51. So this is the price of PSU bank B's. So uh, if I can catch the top also, so I can expect around 80% growth in very few time, but my expectation is around 2x 3x returns from here. So I know that the PSU banks are going to perform, but I cannot invest in a single stock, because I am having afraid that what happen if this bank or particular bank is not going to perform. So to avoid that, I have an option. I can choose to invest in a ETF fund of PSU banks. So what happen when you click on the ETF now? This particular segment invest all your capital goes into banking sector only. See here, the investment option is like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, then Punjab National Bank. If you see here, all these banks are PSU banks only. So when you buy a ETF, your money goes into diversified format in all these banks. So you don't have to worry which bank is going to perform, which bank is not going to perform. Even out of this bank, 50% of the bank is going to perform now, then also you will get a decent return. So so it is always advisable to invest in a ETF funds when you have a clear view any particular segments. Let's say you want to invest in a see, if you see a downside, you will see that there is a ETFs related to the consumption, gold, then infra, then all these kinds of ECF you can ETF you can find. So I always prefer to, generally I invest in a stocks, but to be a safer side, if you have the view and you want to be safer side and you want to invest in a your money in a that segment only, so I better advise to invest in a ETFs. You will get average return, and since the sector is already in a performing way, so you can make a decent return in a very short period of time. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you. Goodbye.